Morning, guys. Welcome to another episode of Life with Kim in Jamaica. Now I'm off to work, so I'm gonna give you a bit of preview of what it's like going to work in the morning. Stay tuned. So basically, guys, I'm off to go look a cab. So sometimes in the morning it's a bit difficult to get a drive. So let's see how quick I'm gonna get one this morning. Blessings. Seems as if I'm getting one very early this morning. Morning. No. Let's go, guys. Morning, neighbors. Morning. Oh my god. I'm tired, yeah, man. We have a new YouTube channel, so you can subscribe to it. So now we're go on this. Guys, I'm about less than 5 minutes to work, so that's gonna be a long one this morning. Go now. Put in your seatbelt. So me say, well, my brother died. So put in your seatbelt, man. I say, what on? I say that message, man. I say, yo, put in your seatbelt before you send a message. I say, alright, we try on. I say, yo, I'm not taking a ticket for nobody. Let's so we start along. I say, I want to go on the next day. I come on the road and I hear kind of different story. I say, so government go to Jamaica, yeah? So I say, I'll meet for travel with my little son, you know. We can't go nowhere. Yes, he's kind of taxi man now go carry me with my little son. How does that go work out? But at the end of the day, where in the car? Which one of the car do I go put? I'm not going to put car seat for carry baby. How much baby I'm not going to carry in the car? How much passenger I'm going to carry at a time? So, brother, you don't know that, no, brother. You don't know that. You don't know that. Eh? No. Tonight, one. I got hurt there. Mommy! I'm tired. I want to pass on car where someone got hurt. Let's wait a while, man. I set the man in my pass on right top side the standpipe down there, so over upon the whole underneath it over upon the wall there, so I want to wait. Must drop in, go drop and sleep. I put on nothing else, brother. Don't go say load. Welcome to Port Anthony High School. Be sure, the good Be sure Plaza. I'm going to right door on him. I'm going to go to America. Back up at the church. So, all government employees what's in and I fix the road at Port Meat. I mean, you say Eastman in strike, eh?
Eastman in strike?
Yeah, so yesterday, Eastman in a run. You say, well, I put in the run a bus stop.
No,
yeah, right now, I just sent my video for Messenger a while ago. Claremont, that I don't send and I say, well, I bus man and got sent and all I vaccine man and park up in the town. Nobody now go down. What people and people ready for full of that at the town, the people full there, you must know. So right now, it's not a pretty sight, brother. Yeah.
I stop myself. The people that can't work with the cars.
So about the bike man, they were carrying pinning at school, they were going to need car seat, so.
Yeah, that's the matter.
Like you put on the carrier something for the back and strap them in the Yeah, because my brother have one bicycle with you look at son with a strap on something funny. When overseas I get everything. There's some place and I get them some things. You have to go import some things. But me hear them say the man them import two trailer, two container car seat. Go sell you know.
I know we are buying them, eh?
I don't be a buy them because I don't buy any. I don't own a vehicle. If me have a car, then me can buy a car seat for my son. I don't have a car. Me can shop with car seat, baby. Well, I know. Me can carry car seat, baby, bag, groceries and all of them stuff. Like me decide to me I go shop with my son. How that go? That's a madness. Total madness, brother. Let me have as a grown up. Right, that's all I can't know. Have a blessed day. Alright guys, see it? I'm now at work. Heading upstairs, heading in the building. Alright then. It's a dark old people. It's a dark hole. This is my environment, guys. This is where I work during the days. Morning. Have a blessed day. Tune in, like, subscribe, share, comments. Blessings.